and welcome to Party Paperteers. Today, I'm coming to you with another project for Christmas in July. I decorated this plain box using my leftover greeting cards. If you want to see how I did that, stay tuned. hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found some inspiration and will try one for yourself. I was inspired when I saw one of my favorite YouTubers do it. Her name is Vianney at Vianney Creates. And the product that you're looking at is an Anna Griffin product. I bought one of her card kits last year, and in this kit, she gives you this inspiration sheet, and you have a lot of ideas to follow, as well as, making your own. But she gives you so much in the kit that you have a lot of leftovers. And so it was a no-brainer to use this to create and decorate, cover this box with. So this is a wonderful idea. It can be used for a ton of things, and also it can be used for different holidays. But some of the things that I plan to use it for is to put some of my homemade fudge in, and candies and cookies, and give to family members. And if you're into handmade soaps, or you just need something to put the neckties and socks this Christmas in, this is a handy box for that as well. These boxes come in different sizes, so you're not just locked into this size. But I love this size because it's good for gift giving. And so if I wanted to fill this with candy and take it to my doctor's office at Christmas time, or nail shop, or beauty shop, it's the perfect size to fill with some treats and give somebody. I worked as a nurse for 35 years, so I was always inspired and always grateful for the people that shared their treats around the holiday. Valentine's Day is another good one. So if you have something kind of like lingerie, it'll be a good thing to put in one of these boxes and some perfume. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this channel, you like my content, please like this video and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And have a wonderful day.